to win 1 million. Happy Easter holiday, guys. You're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you're highly welcome to my page. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I would like to share with you how we spend our Easter season with my lovely family and my children. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy the Easter with us. Mark is going to be a chef. As you can see, we are making breakfast. So Mark is going to be our chef today. He loves cooking. Okay guys, so I'm also cooking a little bit of gizzards. I'm going to be showing you our Easter here, guys. So I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button. And click like and leave the comment below. Stay tuned. The next step is to show you guys our Easter eggs. So Esther, no, you are not going to show. That is all we get for Easter eggs. That's mine, that's mine, that's mine, that's mine. Okay, show where's mommy ones. That is mommy. That's mine. That's mine. I actually got this from one of my patients. Okay, I got this from one of my patients. So this is I got this present from Mark, my one and only, the man who loved me, who take me the way I am. And these are for Samuel, Sarah, Mark.
But
so
I have the most. I have the most.
Mommy have the most. My baby have the most.
No,
we
Mom,
are
you
not
have to.
Yeah, I have to. We are not perfect, guys. We just want to be realistic. We just want to show how we spend our Easter. We are not rich. We are okay. Breakfast. Mark is making you. Mommy, Sarah, I will be doing my upper body workout. Okay guys, so after that I'll freshen up. I'll join Mark in the kitchen. So my upper body workout is only 30 minutes because there's no gym is not open. So this is the part of my Easter holiday, and usually in the morning I go to the gym. I do spinning. I have my own routine, so I'm doing it at home now for a moment, guys. And like I show you guys what I'm going to be doing is upper body workouts, and I'll freshen up and you say I'll dress to join Mark. I hope you guys enjoy this Easter holiday. So I need to do my upper body. You can see this is the mat, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be following these guys. So I have different. Yesterday I do Bobby and cooked. It's well cooked. So I'm not going to fry my own gizzard.
Mom, can bring my eggs upstairs?
Okay, that's it, guys. So I love oven fry. So just help me to get rid of the first. I'm trying to wash my plate. So I prepare my own gizzard this way. Going to grill it. Some people call it oven fry. So I'm going to oven fry or grill. So either of the words. Either of the words. So guys, that is part of our Easter's food. I bet you guys I will end up being the only one who's going to eat this, and the kids might not like it. My gizzard is ready to eat. Yeah, it's ready to eat.
Okay, I've parboiled these rooster potatoes for 7 minutes, brought them to the boil and parboiled them for 7 minutes. And then I drained off the water, and then I put saucepan of potatoes back on the heat and shook them around just to get the rough edges like that, and that means then they're going to be crispy. So I put them in to a roasting dish or a Pyrex dish with heated hot oil. I'm spooning that over them, and I'm just going to put them back in now and roast them for about 20 minutes, and they'll come out nice and crisp and brown.
So guys, I've changed. So the dinner is ready and the chef is so busy. So guys, happy Easter once again. I'm going to be showing you from the back what Mark is doing. Serious with the, I'll show you from the back what my partner is doing. He's cutting out, he's cutting the beef. So I hope guys you enjoy our Easter. I hope you enjoy this video. Please, if you enjoy this video, give thumbs up, click like, and click subscribe button. Share this video because you know it's Easter day. We are on holiday, we are home, yes, with the family. I want you to know guys, how do you guys spend your Easter? How do you spend your Easter guys? Please let me know. No. Is that working?
No.
That's my baby dear. Are you ready for your dinner? So the table is set. We are ready for dinner. Extra food. The madams. Only what are we eating today?
We're having roast beef, roast potatoes, carrot and parsnip, butter, carrot and parsnip, and peas, garden peas. No, I'd rather eat our dinner, I mean, not like a movie.
Exactly.
Guys, do you hear what Mark said?
You're going to become one of those people that
Mom, I
not
don't
getting
like
their
being
food.
recorded while eating. It's kind of rude.
Lot of insult guys. Happy Easter holidays. I just want to share this with my subscribers. I want them to know what I'm doing guys. Be nice guys.
Yummy.
So it's fine. He doesn't want to be seen like Mark, I swear.
No. It's trying to eat. I found it.
Okay guys, join me with this stuff. Come and join us guys. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you enjoy our Easter guys, you know what, my son is actually shaking, flicking that head. I'm not even sure his face anymore. I'm only sure myself. So guys, I hope
Mom,
you
this is the Easter holiday.
this is Easter holiday, yeah. So guys, okay. So guys, enjoy me. And cheers, right? Cheers guys.
Well, I'm good, my brother.
So guys, that's it.
Got some hard cuts.
It is, but if you use it properly, if you use your very
If you can you pass me the water, please? Thank
you're welcome.
Anyone want more beef?
you.
No.
Please. I want beef. Even though it's so hard.
Please, can I have beef?
That's it. If I didn't say anything, you wouldn't ask for more beef. so well.
I love you, big brother. And
And you like the this with the fat on it, the edge.
Thank you. Thanks, ma. So guys, I would love to win 1 million. This present is from one of my patients, gave me this for my Easter holiday. So guys, we are going to open the research cards together. Guys, wish me good luck. If I'm a millionaire, I'm going to share the money with you guys, my follower, my first subscriber. So let's see. So wish me. No, I won't break it. So we're going to see what I can.
Scratch up here first.
You know what he said to me? He said, Rebecca, if you win, just bring me to Africa. And this man, guys, this my patient is 9. He is 91 years. He told me if I won, I should just take him to Africa. That's it. So that's so lovely. We didn't win anything, guys.
There's 3 games on it, is it? 3, 4?
I think 4. This is so cool.
There.
No, nothing.
No, so this panel then, those 4.
That is the
You're
last
looking for a
one.
bag of money.
I want to go tonight. I want to go for the Nigeria customer. Going on, I just want only 5,000 grand, guys.
Is that all?
I don't mind because I don't want too much. 5 grand, I'll go to Nigeria for 1 week, then blow the money, then you'll be back. But why these people, they are just such a gamer? They're just nothing on it. Could you imagine? Guys, they gave me 4 opportunities. I don't need anything.
Show me again, just double check.
And 3.
No, that just means if you had one anything, you triple the amount if you get 3 there. Did you
I think these people, they are very silly. They know what they are doing. I don't want anything.
No. So if you won anything, you would have just got that. But no, you have to find the bag. Look at the money bag. You got money, a piggy bank, a purse, and a wallet. You didn't want.
I didn't.
You only got 2 of each on this panel. You need to get 3. Hang on, and then you didn't get 11 and 19. I didn't get those numbers, so I'm afraid you don't win anything.
No, right.
Do you still have an Easter egg, honey?
No,
We have another one.
yeah, I have another one. Guys, wish me good luck at least now. Just something. If I win this 15,000, guys, I'm going to share with you guys. I will share with my subscribers and give them 1,000 each. 15,000, I will give 5 people. Say I will don't win anything. They give us 3 chances. 3 chances. We didn't win anything.
you should let me scratch it.
Oh, I will be lucky. During my pregnancy, I used to have 200, win 200, 100. Ever since.
I have a really lucky hand.
I should have even asked you and Esther to open.
Even with the coconut, because usually when I get stuff, it's right.
I should have even asked you to open. So I can bring you home with me. You can go to Nigeria to enjoy the sun.
What?
Now, let me see. 10, 10, no. 40, 40, no. Win. Yeah, you won the 10.
So guys, I win 10. I win 10.
Yeah, 10, 10, and 10. Yeah, you win
I'm
10
going
euro.
I'm going to tell you, guys, we win 10 euro.
Show
How
me,
much
there's
is
another panel
10,000?
there.
I'm going to go and cash the 10 euro. We can use it for something.
Buy a bottle of wine. Show me again.
We won 10 euro, guys. 3 matches, I win 10 euro. That's 10 euro. What about this?
Oh, cash flow. Oh, the second.
I wish I win 15,000. I'll give my subscriber 100-ish. Is it 100 euro-ish?
No, once you get there, Ronnie. Just win your tenner.
Okay, guys. Happy Easter once again. We win 10 euro. It's okay. So I'm going to go and cash my 10 euro maybe later. So I'll use it to buy wine to treat myself. I deserve wine. So guys, thank you so much. Second time for watching. Today is your first time. Click the red button. Subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up. Click like. Click the comment below. And stay blessed. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And enjoy your Easter. Take it easy, guys. Bye.